Well, good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the beach. We are in beautiful Topsail Beach, North Carolina. Came down to take a look and see how the renourishment, the rebuilding of the beaches here is going. You see this big old rusty pipe. I know a couple of weeks ago, a lot of heavy equipment down here, looks like they're all gone. If you look back toward the pier, they're still in full force down that way. And look down that way, it doesn't look like they're done. They're big heaps, piles of sand further south there. But we just come down and take a look at it and see what's happening. Now, beach renourishment is something these communities have to do because, well, of all their tax-paying citizens that got oceanfront houses. Now, I know they have to do it, but really what this does, and this is something I know from experience, and what it does to beaches, it changes the geographical layout of the beach. When you come to a beach that has just recently been refurbished, it's hard to find sandbars. It's hard to find troughs. It's hard to find cuts. These things are hard to find, and it takes some time for it to kind of get back to normal. Now, one thing that will put it back to normal very quick is a big nor'easter or even a hurricane, and we don't really want either one of those. But that's what I've found over the years, that when they do this type of work on the beach, they're pumping sand. They're bringing a lot of sand in from the inlet, and that's a good thing for the inlet because it opens it up a little bit. New Topsail Inlet is a kind of a rough inlet to navigate. It's just not a straight shot through. I mean, you got to know what you're doing. You need someone with experience when you're going to come through that inlet, because you will run aground. So as you can see, they have brought some sand in here, but you can see already it's eroding right there, and that's what the ocean does. I mean, you're fighting Mother Nature, and that's what she does. She takes back and puts things, I guess, in order the way she wants them, and it's a constant battle. It's a constant battle to try to keep this beautiful Atlantic Ocean at bay. I mean, you know, you're not going to do it. You will spend millions and millions and millions of dollars, and one storm takes it all back. And then you spend millions and millions and millions more and do it again. Now, it hadn't been too long ago, I don't know, somebody correct me if I'm wrong, 4 years ago maybe, they did this, and they're having to do it again. I have no idea what the cost is. It's not cheap, I can tell you that. But as you can see up ahead of me there, just piles of sand, and I mean, they still got a lot to do. And I think their projected date to finish all this up is around March, and that's a good thing, because you know, it's gonna be a lot of people out here fishing along with myself. But we can walk right now and look, try to read the beach. And you know, I'm looking for these rip currents, I'm looking for these troughs, this deeper water, sandbars. It's really hard to see. Really hard to see. We may have a sandbar out that way a little bit, but it doesn't look like anything major. So this renourishment comes at a cost, not only to the taxpayers, but to the anglers. You know, but it's something that's necessary and has to be done. I wish it didn't, because I'll tell you, the right after they do this, the fishing really goes downhill. But we're going to be out here giving it a shot. Let it warm up a little bit. It's about 34 degrees out here right now. Wouldn't do a lot in the surf anyway right now. But it's a beautiful day down here. Beautiful day. So this is what Topsail Beach is looking like right now. So hopefully March he'll have all this cleaned up and ready to go, and we'll be down here doing a little bit of fishing. So guys, this is what Topsail Beach is looking like right now. I just thought I'd ride down here, take a walk on the beach, take a look at it. Hadn't been out here since they started, but looking good so far. Looking good so far. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me. You guys take care of each other, and I'll definitely catch you guys on the next one.